Everyone. This is your Auntie T, chemistry teacher. Today again, we have another simple calculation in chemistry. You have been seeing we make calculation. Calculation is very, very important. And you know what? Calculation in chemistry is even the simplest because you'll be given some of everything needed to solve what? To solve your question. Please don't mind my voice, okay? Just a little cold, but I'll be fine. Thank you. So now today we have some questions related to percentage composition of elements in a compound. Good. And I remember we look at how to calculate molar mass. That will help us in solving this question. Can you get the right material with you? Let's proceed. We have two questions on the board. Question number one says calculate the percentage by mass of nitrogen in Strauss nitrate 5 acid. Good. So let's see. Solution for question number one. What do you need to get here? The first thing you need to observe here is the molecular formula of the compound given, which is what? Triazo nitrate 5. And is what? Let's see, solution. Of the compound is HNO3. Good. We have HNO3. Good. Now, the next thing to do, we have to look for the molar mass of the compound. In order for us to know that of only hydrogen we have to look for in the question. Now, let's say. Now, before going to the molar mass, let's look at the number of mole of each element in the compound. Now, how many mole of energy do we have? That is, we have 1 mole of hydrogen. What do we have here? 1 mole of what? Nitrogen. And we have 3 moles of oxygen. So H for hydrogen, N for nitrogen, and O for oxygen. Now, that makes it easier. We move to the molar mass. The molar mass of what? What's the element? HNO3. Good. So now we are given our relative atomic mass in the question, and so anything you need, everything needed will surely be given to you. Yes. So we have that 1 because it's 1 mole. But like that, what hydrogen is what? It's given to us as 1 plus how many number of mole of nitrogen? We also have 1, right? That is 1 multiplied by 14 plus how many mole of oxygen? We have 3. 3 multiplied by what? 16. You know how we get 1, 14, and 16. Relative atomic mass given to us in the question. Thank you. So when we have 1 plus 14 plus 48. So this one should give us 50. Oh wow, that is 63 grams. Good. That's for the total mass of what? Of the elements of the compound is what? 63 grams. So now we are only asked to calculate percentage by mass of nitrogen in the whole compound. Very simple. Percentage by mass of nitrogen is what? That is 63 grams of nitrogen produce what? Gives how many grams of, no, 16 grams of, sorry, of HNO3, sorry, of HNO3 produce how many grams of nitrogen that we are concerned with? Here is 40, right? That is 40 grams of nitrogen. I use a symbol. So now come here. Percentage composition will now give us what? That is 14 over. The 14 is for only nitrogen. 14 over the compound. 63 multiplied by 100%. Good. Now, Can you place your calculator alongside with me? So what do we have there? What do we get there? So we are getting, what do we get in the house? Good. 22.2%. That's our answer. So we have 22.2%. I hope it's very clear. What we need to do first, look for the molar mass of all the compound, the elements present in the compound. So if you have to calculate for only one, just take the atomic mass of that one. You divide by the total what? The total molar mass of the compound multiplied by what? 100. You have the answer. So that's for solution number one. Let's quickly solve question number two together. So we have for solution two. Good. This is for one. Thank you. For solution two. Good. Same process. Calculate the percentage by mass of all the component elements in sodium trinitrate 5. Thank God you are given here. You are given the molecular formula of the element. It's NaNO3. So the elements present is sodium, nitrogen, and water, and oxygen. So just let's go directly like we did here. So we have how many mole? 1 mole of Na. How many mole of nitrogen? 1 mole of nitrogen. And how many mole of oxygen? That is 3 moles of what? Oxygen. Good. The molar mass. The molar mass of what? What do we have there? That is NaNO3. You give us what? 1 multiplied by what's the atomic mass of sodium given to you in the question? That is 23. Plus, what's our head? Is 14. 1 multiplied by 14. Plus, what's the oxygen? 16. That is how many more? 3. Use the 3 to multiply the 16. You still remember that of the molar mass? You need to go and watch my YouTube. There's one video whereby we did a calculation on the what's called the molar masses, yes, of a compound. So let's proceed. So we have 23 plus 14 plus what? 48. So what do we get? Put it together, 50, 70. That should give us 85 grams. Wow. 85 grams. So this 85 grams is the total mass of all the elements in the compound. But now the question now says each one of them, we need to calculate that all. Now, the first thing we need to do is percentage by mass, composition, good. Composition. What's the first element? Sodium. It equals to what? Sodium over what? NaNO3 multiplied by 100%. So what's that sodium? Sodium is what? 23. Yes, it's given. Divided by what? The total. You don't need to work it out again. This is here, right? 85 multiplied by 100%. So what do we get? Yeah, press the calculator with me and tell me what you get. Oh, what do you say? That should be 27. Yes, that is 27.0%. Wow, I hope you get the same thing. Thank you. So that's for the first one. The next element here is what? Nitrogen. What did I call it? Nitrogen. Let's go. Let's go. That's same thing. Percentage composition of what? I need to put up here. Of what? The second element is nitrogen. That will have what? N over what? NaNO3 multiplied by what? 100%. Good. What is our N? Our N is what? That is from the question. N is 14 over what? Same procedure. Over 85 multiplied by what? 100. So what do you get? Can you press? They will allow you to press they will allow you to use your calculator in this calculator. They will surely allow you. What do we get? Are you with me? Thank you. So we have 16.5%. So which other elements remain in the compound? What remains now is oxygen. Good. So let's go. That will be percentage composition of what? Oxygen. That will give us what? And mind you, The mole of oxygen is 3. Yes. That is 3 into bracket O over what? NaO3 multiplied by what? 100%. That's a percentage. So what do we have? That the 3 multiplied by what? Our oxygen is what? 16 over the total 85 multiplied by 100%.